Today in our 2015 Ford F250, we're going to be taking a look at the Curt A16 fifth wheel trailer hitch with slider for Ford towing prep package, part number C16520-16020. So here's what our fifth wheel hitch looks like fully installed. It's going to allow us to tow a fifth wheel trailer, and even though we have a short bed truck, that's where the slider is going to come in and give us that little bit of extra clearance. If we come to the driver's side of our hitch here, the vertical bar here, it's going to be a latch for our slide. Now this red indicator is letting us know that it's unlocked. And when it's in the unlocked position, it's going to allow our hitch to slide back, so when we make a turn, we don't have to worry about our fifth wheel trailer making contact with our cab. And then when we're ready to straighten back out, the hitch will slide back into the towed position, and we can lock the handle. Now here on our slider, on the other side, it's going to show a green indicator letting us know that we're ready to tow. If you see this red stripe on the handle, you're not fully locked into place. And if we look underneath our slider on our driver's side, the towing position is going to be green right here if we have our slider pushed all the way towards the cab and locked in place. And then behind that, towards the back of the truck, when our slider comes back, it's going to be in the maneuvering position right here. Now our head on our Curt here is going to rock, and it's going to be a full articulating head. It's going to go to the left and right and the front and back. And that's going to help out a lot when we're on uneven surface and we're getting ready to hook up. Now our jaw here is going to be a two-piece jaw, and it's going to make full 360-degree contact with the kingpin. And since it is a two-piece, it's going to be nice and quiet, and it's going to reduce the rattling associated with some of the one-piece jaws. Now our handle for our jaws here, it is tethered. We don't have to worry about losing our safety pin. And we're going to be able to push the handle backwards to open our jaws, and then when we hook up, it's going to automatically spring closed when we have our kingpin in place. Now for added security, if we don't use our tethered pin, we can actually put a padlock here and make sure that our hitch is fully secure and it won't be opened. Now the padlock you can use, if you use part number AT89018. Our head here is going to have 3 different height settings, and it's going to be between 17 inches and 21 inches. Our Curt fifth wheel hitch features 16,000 pounds of gross trailer weight rating. There's also a 4,000 pound vertical load limit. Now I do want to mention you always want to double check with your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure that your vehicle can handle that amount of weight. Now our fifth wheel hitch is going to be made out of steel. It's going to have a carbide powder coat finish on it, so it's going to look good in the back of any truck. Now the beauty of this fifth wheel hitch is that it is made to work with the factory prep package, so if we ever needed to take it out, we're still going to have full bed access. To make it a little bit easier on ourselves, we can remove our head from our slider, and we'll remove those 4 bolts here, and then we'd be able to pull the head out. If we come down to our slider, on each side we're going to have 2 handles. We're going to pull this pin out. We can rotate our handles out to the side of the sides of our truck, and then we'll be able to lift our slider up and we'll have full access to our bed again. With everything pulled out, then all we have left is put our factory pucks in place and we have full bed access. And that'll finish up the look at the Curt A16 fifth wheel trailer hitch with slider for Ford towing prep package, part number C16520-16020 on our 2015 Ford F250.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.